What's up, Dreamer? Welcome to Dream Right Go. As some of you know, I'm teaching myself Python. However, if you follow any of these steps, you do so at your own risk. Today, we're going to be installing PyCharm onto Linux, setting up a basic project, and running Hello World. This video is made up of 4 major steps, and you can see them on your screen. If you're interested in other videos from Python from me, then check underneath Python Realm in the playlist. Timestamps are below, so go where you want to go. I am DWG. Let's get it. Okay, so a quick explanation for the screens that you're looking at right now. Over to the left are the steps that we're going to be following. Over to the right is the terminal, and underneath there is the downloads folder, and underneath there is another folder called OPT. I have these 2 folders open on purpose so that you can see the different changes that take place as different commands are entered in. First off, underneath downloads, you'll notice that I have the PyCharm Community Edition already downloaded, that package. In the OPT, you will see the Guest Edition. That is because I'm running VirtualBox. Just pay it no mind. Although I will not be doing it on this particular video, I always suggest that you do a sudo app update and a sudo app upgrade to make sure that your Linux system is up to date. With that said, we're going to go ahead and move on to step 2, which is download and extracting PyCharm. Like I just said, I already have the PyCharm community package, but let me show you where you can get yours. Once you get to the JetBrains website, just scroll down to the middle and click on PyCharm. From here, you're going to click on downloads. Do not download the PyCharm Professional. Scroll down and you will see the community edition. Click download and it will download to your download folder. Now that you have downloaded your PyCharm community package, you see in the terminal that I have a CD space downloads. That's going to change the directory to the downloads directory, which is holding your PyCharm community package. Let's go ahead and hit enter. Now we are inside of the downloads directory. I'm going to type in ls and then hit enter. The ls command will list everything that's inside of the downloads folder, which is the PyCharm community package. I now entered in a new command. This is going to extract the PyCharm from the PyCharm package. You can see over here on the left, it is this command. I copied and pasted over. Let's hit enter. You will now notice in the downloads folder that the PyCharm package has been extracted. We can go ahead and delete the package because we have the directory right here. Now that that's been deleted, we can step down to step 3 or move on to step 3. I'm going to copy this command right here and post it right inside of the terminal and hit enter, giving it my password. You will now notice that the PyCharm community directory has been moved from downloads and into the OPT. You will see here on step 3 the reason why is this way PyCharm will be available for anybody who uses this system. Although I am the only one that's going to be using this system, I wanted to show you this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and close the downloads folder, and then I'm going to close the OPT folder. Let's copy and paste this change directory to the OPT folder and hit enter. We are now inside of the OPT folder. Next thing we're going to do is run PyCharm by copying this command here and pasting it in, hitting enter. PyCharm has now launched. Let's go ahead and put a check mark here that we confirm and continue. Then we will put, at least I will put, I do not want to send any type of information. And here is the starting page of PyCharm. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the gear icon and click on create desktop entry. Once that's done, put a check mark here and hit OK. Then we're going to put in our password and hit authenticate. We can now close PyCharm, and I'm going to close the directions here and close the terminal. Now let's look in the system underneath programming, and you see that PyCharm is in the list. We're going to go ahead and click that and open up PyCharm. Since you might want to use PyCharm a lot, down here in the bottom toolbar, you can go ahead and right click on the icon and click on Pin to Panel. Next, we're going to click on New Project. And in the new project, go ahead and name it something that you want to. I'm going to name mine DWG Pro, leaving everything else the same. However, you're going to want to check your Python version, which I have Python 3.12. If you're interested in knowing how I did that, check out the very first video in this series. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Create. From here, go to the hamburger stack. Click on New with the 3 dots after it. Click on Python. Name your Python project. I'm going to name mine Hey You, and hit enter. I'm going to Click the folder here to close that up. In an earlier video when I was showing how to set up Visual Studio Code, I created a file. I'm just going to open this up for a moment. I'm copying this right here. Then we're going to go ahead and paste that right on inside of PyCharm. Now on the top right corner, you can click on the run and it should run. At the bottom here, you see that it has printed out hello world. That will conclude this video on setting up PyCharm onto my Linux Mint computer. In any case, this is Dream Right Go. I am DWG. I'm out of here. Peace.